to
that
it. We're not
accurate.
just gonna.
Hello, this is Integrity Roofing and Painting, and today I'm going to talk to you about a supplement and a revised claim summary that I received back. So I spoke with the adjuster on the phone. I had sent in a supplement, and one of the items that we were supplementing for was ice and water shield due to a code upgrade on the house. It was above 7,000 foot. Here in Colorado, above 7,000 foot, we need ice and water shield on the roof along the eaves. Anyway, so after I was going through this with the adjuster, he had told me about the square footage that he agreed to, 1,460 square foot, so I just assumed that everything was going to work out fine. He sent me the revised claim summary, and after reviewing it, it shows that the quantity is correct, the unit price is correct, but for some reason the estimate total amount is coming up much less than 1,460 times 1.59. It's really important that you carefully review these revised claim summaries to make sure there's not any mistakes. How this could have been an unintentional thing where their Xactimate software had a glitch. I'm not sure. But I do know that you'd have to pay close attention to this. What I think happened is, as you go through your Xactimate, put in 1,460 square foot times $1.59 comes to $2,300 just about. If you look at the job information right here under that unit item, it shows that the roofer labor is $1.08 a square foot. When I divided, let's see here, when I divided the estimate amount of $1,550 by the square footage, it came to about $1.08 a square foot instead of 1.59. So somehow their Xactimate software accidentally kept this price on there, but only charged it for 460 times $1.08. Just pay close attention to your revised claim summaries that you're getting in to make sure that you're not having any of these mistakes on your claims. We have to restore these homes to pre-storm condition and do the best job we can for the clients, and it's important that we get paid for it. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.